Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Hestri Azizah Nurrahmah, student identification number 190453132. Okay, here I will present the result of the final semester exam in English application courses. Number 1. Choose one of the following materials for you to present. Here, I choose material about what is a mountain. Number 2. Read the material above according to your choice properly and correctly. What is a mountain? A mountain is a land area that rises noticeably above the region around it and is much smaller at the top than at the base. A group of mountains is called a mountain range. A group of ranges forms a mountain system. Several systems that are close together and have a similar origin make up a mountain chain. Sometimes people ask how high a hill must be to be called a mountain. There is no set height which separates mountains from hills. Usage depends on local custom. Mount Monadnock in southern New Hampshire is only 3,165 feet above sea level, but it rises noticeably above a low region. The Black Hills of South Dakota are 7,242 feet above sea level, but they are located on a high plain. Mauna Loa in Hawaii, measured from its base on the floor of the Pacific Ocean, is 30,000 feet high, although its height above sea level is only 13,675 feet. Number 3. Determine the main idea in the paragraph you choose and explain your reason through showing your video. Main idea in paragraph is: a mountain is a land area that rises noticeably above the region around it and is much smaller at the top than at the base. Reasons for selecting paragraphs: because the paragraph develops or discusses material about mountains. In addition, the main idea is at the beginning or end of the sentence. Most of the main ideas are at the beginning of the sentence. Number 4. Read the meeting material 14 about France's richest land in Western Europe, shown on the maps as follows. A. Location and borders of France. The location and boundaries of the country of France. France faces three important bodies of water: the North Sea, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Mediterranean Sea, and has over 2,000 miles of coastline. Mountain ranges protect France along her borders. The more important ranges are the Pyrenees in the south, the Alps, Jura, and Vosges in the east, and the Low Ardennes in the northeast. The Belgian frontier west of the Ardennes is the only border of France that is not protected by mountains. B. The Pyrenees Mountains, the Alps Mountains, the Jura Mountains, the Vosges Mountains, and the Ardennes Mountains. The Pyrenees Mountains. The Pyrenees is mountains in southwestern Europe that form the natural border between France and Spain. The Alps Mountains. The Alps are large mountains in Europe that stretch from Austria and Slovenia in the east, through Italy, Switzerland, Liechtenstein, and Germany to France in the west. The Jura Mountains. The Jura Mountains are a small mountains range located north of the Alps, separating the Rhine and Rhone rivers. These mountains are located in France, Switzerland, and Germany. The Vosges Mountains. The Vosges is a low mountain range in eastern France, near the border with Germany. The Ardennes Mountains. Ardennes Mountains are located mainly in Belgium and Luxembourg, but also stretch as far as Germany and France. The Eifel Mountains in Germany border the Ardennes and are part of the same geological formations. See the Seine River, the Loire River, the Garonne River, and the Rhone River. The Seine River. The Seine is a major river in northwestern. The Loire River. The Loire River is a longer river in France with a length of 1,020 kilometers. The Garonne River. Garonne is a river in southwestern France and northern Spain with a length of 575 kilometers. The Rhone River. The Rhone River is one of Europe's great rivers, stretching through Switzerland and France. Number 5. Explain about influence of France. Frenchmen like Lafayette helped use in our American Revolution and fought bravely for freedom many times since then. The French Declaration of the Rights of Man ranks with our Declaration of Independence as a great statement of the ideals of freedom. The founders of many of the new nations, especially in Africa, were educated by French missionaries or at the Great University of Paris. The names of Pasteur and the Curies in science, Renoir and Rodin in art, Flaubert and Stendhal in literature, and Debussy and Ravel in music are some evidence of the French influence on culture and higher living standards. So, that's the result of my final semester exam. Thank you for watching. I end it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.